Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a talking presentation on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the presentation button next to the social media section and click to the talking presentation option. Here you have more chains. If you want to add pictures to your presentation, go to the upload section, and here you can upload images, videos or audio files, or go to the gallery section, and here you can find images and videos from your device. In the elements section, you can search different graphic elements, for example, stickers, photos, charts, frames, and more. If you tap to the design section, you can find the different styles, layouts, templates, which were created by professional graphic designer. And just select the template and step on it. You can edit this template. For example, if you want to change the color, just tap to the presentation slide and tap to the square icon next to the design section. And new you can select another color and done. And if you write another text, just click to the text and write your text. New you can edit this text. Tap to the arrow next to the Mansalva button, and here you can find different font type. And if you tap to the plus or the minus icon, you can edit the size of the text. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.